Ever made a decision and later thought, wait, why did I do that? Chances are someone manipulated you without you even realizing it. Dark psychology techniques are used every day by marketers, politicians, even friends to control your thoughts and actions. Today, I'll reveal 10 dark psychology tricks that shape our choices, along with real-life examples. By the end of this, you'll never look at the world the same way again. Let's get started. 1. The power of silence. Here's something most people don't realize. Silence is powerful. People hate awkward silences, and whoever breaks it first loses control. Imagine you're negotiating your salary. You confidently state your expected pay, then shut up. Your boss stays silent too. The tension builds. Eventually, they speak first, maybe even agreeing to your number, just to end the silence. This works in arguments, job interviews, and even when dealing with stubborn people. Try it. Lesson 2. Mirroring. The chameleon effect. Ever met someone new and instantly felt comfortable with them? Chances are they were mirroring you. People naturally trust those who act like them. That's why good salespeople subtly copy your body language and speech patterns. Studies even show that waiters who mirror customers' gestures get bigger tips. Next time you want someone to like you, try copying their posture, tone, or even the way they laugh. It works like magic. 3. The foot in the door technique. Want to make someone say yes to something big? Start small. Back in 1974, researchers found that if homeowners agreed to place a tiny "Drive Safe" sticker on their window, they were later 3 times more likely to put a huge, ugly sign in their yard. Once someone agrees to a small request, their brain convinces them to stay consistent, making them say yes to bigger things later. Marketers, politicians, and even scammers use this trick all the time. 4. Scarcity principle. FOMO, fear of missing out. Ever seen websites say, "Only 2 left in stock," or "This deal ends in 3 hours"? It's a lie. This trick creates urgency. Your brain panics, thinking you'll miss out. That's why Black Friday sales make people fight over products they don't even need. Next time you see limited offer, ask yourself, do I really want this? Or am I just scared of missing out? Cheers. 5. The Benjamin Franklin effect. Want to turn an enemy into a friend? Ask them for a favor. Benjamin Franklin had a political rival who hated him. Instead of fighting back, Franklin asked to borrow a rare book from him. The man lent it to him, and from then on, they were friends. Why? Because the brain thinks, if I help this person, I must like them. Try it. Ask someone for a small favor, like borrowing a pen. Watch how their attitude toward you changes. 6. Social proof. Manipulation. People follow the crowd even when the crowd is fake. Ever noticed fake bestseller labels on products? Or how clubs keep long lines outside, even when the place is half empty? Social proof makes us trust things just because others do. That's why companies buy fake reviews, to trick you into thinking their product is popular. Next time you see "everyone is buying this," ask yourself, is it actually good, or am I just being played? 7. Guilt tripping. Ever had a friend say, "Wow, I thought you were the kind of person who helps friends"? That's guilt tripping, a sneaky way to pressure you into doing something. It works because nobody wants to feel like a bad person. Parents, partners, even manipulative bosses use this trick to make you feel guilty and comply with their wishes. When you notice it, call it out. Say, "I don't like being guilt-tripped," and watch how quickly they back off. 8. The illusory truth effect. Repetition persuasion. If you hear something enough times, you start believing it, even if it's false. That's why fake news spreads so easily. In 2016, social media was flooded with false stories, and people believed them just because they saw them repeatedly. This is why advertisers repeat slogans over and over. It's why politicians say the same things in every speech. Next time you hear something often, stop and ask, is this actually true, or am I just used to hearing it? 9. The contrast principle. Let's say you go to buy a phone. The salesman first shows you a crazy expensive $2,500 model. You say it's too much. Then, they show you a $1,500 model. Suddenly, it seems cheap in comparison, even though it's still expensive. This trick makes you feel like you're getting a deal, when in reality, you're being tricked into spending more. Stores, car dealerships, even real estate agents use this every day. Be aware of it. Monty 10. Fear and hope tactics. Scammers use this trick all the time. You get an email saying, "Your bank account is at risk. Click here to secure it now." First, they create fear. Then, they offer a solution, making you act without thinking. Politicians do this too. They say, "The world is falling apart." Then, ask for your vote. Whenever someone makes you feel scared, then gives you a solution, stop and think, are they helping me or just controlling me? These 10 dark psychology tricks are used every day by companies, influencers, even people you know. But now, you're aware of them. You can't be played like before. If you found this valuable, like, share, and subscribe. Stay aware. Stay in control.